Hello my YouTube friends, Dave Wilson here. In the middle of my usual mess. That's the way I work. But I'm pimping my Prusa. So I got the brand new Prusa XL a few months ago, and all of the parts were black. And I broke a few of the doors working on it. So it's just 3D printed parts that the company manufactures, but they supply the files if you want to print your own. So I thought, well, if I got to fix this, I'm going to change the color, because it has an orange background. So I thought I'd print everything in orange, so I got some ABS and printed it. But what's sort of interesting then, I'm printing all the parts for this printer on using this printer. So this is my carbon, my bamboo carbon, so I'm printing parts on it for the Prusa. And then I'm printing some business cards or tokens that I use on this printer. I'll show you what they look like in a minute. And then this one, I just saw a design that I thought was sort of cute. It's just a little flexible monkey. So I love to print stuff like this for the neighbor kids and grandkids. So I'm printing some of those. And it's a real challenge to keep all these printers running and staying out of trouble doing it. But and here's my business card tokens. I do these instead of stickers. I just 3D print this portion, and then my laser engraver, I burn these out and then just put them together. So I got a lot of things going on. I'm in my second week of treatment for radiation chemo and still doing pretty well, but pretty soon that'll start getting to be more of an effect, I think. And one last thing I really wanted to point out was that I send a lot of these little tokens and knickknacks to friends across the country, and it got to be pretty pricey. Like I sent 20 of these out, and I sent 100 different Christmas cards out. But what I found out, I found this company that sells stamps. These are Forever Global stamps, and right now they'd cost you $1.55, and then they're worth that much to mail a package or a letter. And I found a company that sells these to collectors for 27 cents. So I didn't believe it, but I bought some. I've got 1,000 of them, and I paid $270 and been in the post office, and I can mail a package for anything $1.55 or less. Just use one of those stamps. It cost me 27 cents. So I'm going to put a link in the video. And I didn't believe it, but I ordered 100 stamps for $27 and took them to the post office, and they verified that they're good stamps. So if you do any mailing, it's a real handy thing to have. Anyway, I sure appreciate you watching, and any comments you have, I'd love to hear them. But I just love to modify printers, and I said it's tough to keep 5 of them going, but that's sort of the fun part. It's like modifying cars or hot rods. Well, thanks for watching, and hope everybody's doing well.